Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the mesmerizing landscapes of Norway? Join us as we unveil the hidden gems and
In this video, I am going to show you how to use AI copywriting to create video in Filmora Mobile. First, launch Filmora Mobile app. On Start panel under New Project, you will get an option of AI copywriting. Click on it. Now in AI copywriting, you will get 3 types of copy. First is script, to create scripts for your video. Then marketing, to create marketing video script. Then you will get an option of title, to create AI generated titles for your videos. Now in script, under copy topic, enter the topic of your video so that AI will write about it. In details and keywords, you can add keywords which you want to include in your video, or you can enter more details to make video more standardized. After entering topic, click on generate and you will get 5 different types of script for your video. Now you can edit AI generated script by selecting edit option, or you can copy it to create voiceover. To create subtitles and video, click on use and import, and AI will take some time to generate a video and it will take you to the timeline. Now to edit subtitle, click on text and you can change the subtitles, text style, or you can add animation to subtitle. Now to add video clips, click on blank space and select PIP, picture in picture option from menu. Then select your clip and import it and adjust the clip on preview screen. Repeat the same process to add more clips. That's how you can create AI copywriting to create scripts for your next video. Download Filmora mobile app now and start creating.